under the butt check of a Pinarello F10 Dogma Team Sky Edition. This weighs under 15 pounds. Ito ang nagmay-ari, si Joe Guerra, known as Jokoy. Alright, this is a size 46. Sa American, I believe it's a size 50. Let's start off with the cockpit. The stem is a teardrop, yung most. Handlebars, the NV Arrow. And ang group set nito is Super Record, yung EPS nila. Capac Nolo. And naka-Garmin 1000 and a cyclic flashlight and camera all built in together. Here goes the caliper. I believe is a S-word. Yan ang malupit ulit, naka-lightweight clincher. Yeah. Yes, nice. As we go down to the crank set, we go right there. Look at that carbon right there. This is a size 50-34 compact and loop pedal, and the cassette in the back is 1129. Just look at that, very nice. Here we go to the saddle. See, almost lahat ng siklista yan ang paborito na lang saddle, the S-word power saddle. Here goes the frame. Here goes the decal Team Sky. There we go. Loop it. Alright. Shout out time. Alright, we haven't done a shout out yet, so hopefully we do this thing right. Shout out guys, cycling chef. Road bike user yan, and he's also a vegan chef. Sinishare niya yung mga recipe, especially yung ECQ, patok na patok sa masa. Go check him out. Next, I see Boss Amo na si Padjaqueño, NTB user ng Bulacan. Shoutout din kay Yep Reese na road bike, tsaka MTB ang gamit. Sundan natin siya sa next adventure niya. Shout out din kay Bike Pinas na si Jerry Dison. Yeah! Next up, ang mamaunang Taiwan. Diyos ko po, power. O, kisti saba. Kung gusto nyo palagi ahon, ito ang panuorin nyo. Para siyang nagsashot ng kape, nag-chaser ng Red Bull. Sobrang energetic. Yan, sila kay Anthony Homer. Isa rin ang mamaunang Taiwan na si Gravibar. Isa rin itong energetic. Sa ahon, palaging nakasmile kahit pagod na pagod. Gravibar, shout out sa'yo. Isa rin itong hindi mapapauli sa ahon na si Kabugol Reynan Jan Zamora. Last but not least, shoutout tayo sa mga bro siklista na sila Bike Wonder TV, Biyahe ni Joe, Cab Venture, Nurse Siklista, NDCC, tsaka si Weekend Biker. Nag-message sa akin si Michael De La Cruz sa isang video ko na gumawa ko ng century. Sabi niya ay magandang challenge yan. Okay, ibabalik ko sa inyo. So I'm challenging bro siklista to do a century ride. That's 100 miles, 160 kilometers. Mga bata pa kayo, pwede nyo dublihin kung gusto nyo. Alright, dito na nagtatapos ang shoutout. Until next time, be belong. Out.